From Oldham Volkswagen, here we have the approved used Volkswagen Tiguan 5-door 2.0 TDI 150 PS. As it's the R-Line tech, you do get the beautiful R-Line branding on the front that really gives the car a sleek look and shows off that branding a little bit more. We have the 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels that really top off that sleek look of the car. We have the electric wing mirrors that fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle when parked on tight streets. We also have the rear privacy glass that gives the car a real sleek look and complements the style of the car. Coming all the way around to the back, you'll see we have a button you press to access the spacious boot size that's big enough to fit large items like a suitcase inside. As you can see, the interior looks incredible and the full leather seats are amazing and really provide a comfortable driving experience. The rear passengers will be happy as they get rear trays that you can use to pop food with built-in cup holders or even just rest items such as laptops or iPads as well. And in the center console we have some extra cup holders as well as an armrest. Coming into the car we have the beautiful multifunction steering wheel that enables access to the dashboard interface. We also have the automatic headlights ensuring that they are on at the correct times. Then we have the central locking on the driver's door as well. Using the push start button we now gain access to the wheels functionality as all the displays activate, and now you can access the audio, the telephone, vehicle status, driving data, assist system and your navigation as well. And then coming into the touchscreen interface we have the radio, media, CarNet, App Connect, telephone, vehicle, navigation and traffic. And going into App Connect you can have the functionality for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, allowing you to display your phone directly through the car, removing the need to actually touch your phone. And then as we go into navigation, you'll be filled with confidence on every journey, as this incredibly detailed display will keep you in the loop and on track to your required destination with precision and quickness. You can also have it display in your cluster as well for ease of use, which is a personal favourite of mine. And then coming out of this and then going into mobile, you can make calls directly through the car via the Bluetooth, and this also works in conjunction with the voice command as well. And then the car also comes with fantastic heated seats, providing warmth and comfort on every journey. Press once to activate, press again to decrease the intensity of the heat, and all the way off. And then same again the opposite side. And then the car comes with a fantastic 360-degree camera that will fill you with confidence and safety on every manoeuvre. You can change between the different cameras for a closer look. Say for example you're doing a parallel park in a tight spot and you want to ensure that your left back alloy stays in good condition and doesn't get damaged in any way. You can choose the camera that will assist you in this. However, if you do pop the car into reverse, you'll see that these sensors and cameras automatically display for you, so you don't need to worry about pressing the button too much, but it does help when trying to fit into tight gaps on streets. It also comes with 4 different driving modes. You have normal, sport, eco and individual to accompany you on all different driving conditions you find yourself in. Thanks for watching. This has been the stunning Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. If you have any further questions or want to look at the car for yourself, please give us a call on 0161 413 5117. We're more than happy to provide more information on the vehicle.